Your doctor is not going to bring this up at your next appointment, not because it does not work, because there is no pill to sell you for it. 1 jar, 3 things sitting in your kitchen right now, and a drink farmhands were making over 100 years before anybody put a probiotic on a shelf and charged you $30 for it. And I am willing to bet you have never made it once in your life. It sounds too plain to do anything, but hear me out, because what happens inside your body in the first 15 minutes after you drink this is not nothing. And by the time we get to 1 month, you're going to wonder why nobody taught you this sooner. If you're over 45 and even one of these sounds like your life, morning fog that will not lift until noon, your stomach fighting you after lunch, energy that disappears mid-afternoon no matter how much you slept, a stiffness in your knees you have quietly started calling normal, what I am about to show you goes after the root of all 4. Not 1, all 4, from 1 jar. Now here is what almost nobody understands about apple cider vinegar. People treat it like a fad, something that showed up on the internet 5 years ago. It did not show up 5 years ago. It has been studied for slowing how fast sugar hits your bloodstream for decades, and it was sitting in farmhouse kitchens 100 years before that for the exact same reason, keeping a body steady through a long day of work. This drink is called Switchel. Water, raw apple cider vinegar, fresh ginger, a spoon of molasses. That is the whole jar. No company owns this. No company can put a markup on ginger root. Here's the part that matters. Vinegar on its own does one thing. Ginger on its own does something else entirely. Different pathway, different part of your body. Put them together in the ratio the old recipe uses, and you are not getting 2 effects sitting side by side doing their own separate thing. You're getting something that works on your blood sugar, your gut, and your inflammation at the same time, out of 1 glass, before you have eaten a single thing today. So let me walk you through what is actually happening in your body, because once you see the timeline, you will understand why people who try this once and quit after a day are quitting right before the part that matters. In the first 15 minutes, the ginger goes to work first. It speeds up how fast your stomach empties, and it settles the muscles along your gut wall. That is why people notice something almost right away. Not energy, not yet, calm. A stomach that is not fighting you. By the end of the first day, the vinegar starts showing up in how you handle whatever you ate. It slows the rate sugar moves from your stomach into your blood. So instead of a spike and then a crash, the rise is slower and softer. People who feel that 2 o'clock wall most days are usually feeling the back half of a spike they never noticed happening. And this is the part that takes the edge off that. By the end of the first week, this is where the inflammation conversation starts. Ginger blocks some of the same inflammatory compounds ibuprofen targets. It does not happen instantly, and I'm not going to stand here and tell you your knees stop aching by Tuesday. That is not how a body works, and anybody who tells you that is selling you something. But give it consistent daily use, and people with that morning stiffness in their hands or knees tend to notice it easing before they notice much else. So, before I get into how to actually make this and the mistakes that ruin it, I want to tell you about the plant we're covering next time, because it does something to your liver that almost nobody talks about, and once you see it, you'll understand why your grandmother's garden was never just decoration. Now here is where it stops being about any one symptom and starts being about the whole system. A month of steady Switchel, once a day, and the molasses is part of why. Most people skip the molasses or swap it for honey because they think it is just the sweetener. It is carrying iron, potassium, and calcium, the exact minerals. A tired, foggy adult is usually quietly low on without ever getting tested for it. Stack a month of steadier blood sugar, a calmer gut, lower daily inflammation, and minerals you were not getting before, and what people report is not any single dramatic thing. It is steadier energy that does not crash. Digestion, that stopped being a daily negotiation. That is not a miracle. That is 4 small mechanisms compounding on each other every single day for 30 days straight. Here is what's coming. The 3 mistakes that will make this drink do almost nothing for you. And here is the cost of skipping this part. You make it once, feel nothing dramatic, and write the whole thing off as folklore, when really you just made it wrong. Mistake 1. Reaching for distilled white vinegar instead of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. You want the bottle with the cloudy strands floating in it. That is the part doing the work. Clear, filtered vinegar off the regular shelf will not give you the same effect. Mistake 2. Drinking it concentrated, without diluting it in water. This is not a shot. Straight vinegar will irritate your throat and your stomach lining, and over time it wears at your tooth enamel. It needs the water around it. Mistake 3. Swapping the molasses for honey or white sugar. Honey in a pinch will not hurt you, but you lose the iron and minerals that make molasses worth using in the first place. White sugar cancels out the blood sugar benefit you were trying to get from the vinegar to begin with. Here's the protocol. 16 ounces of cold water, 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 inch of fresh ginger, grated or thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon of molasses. Stir it together and let it sit 5 minutes so the ginger releases into the water. Then drink it slowly, through a straw if you are worried about your enamel. Once a day, morning before food, is the traditional way. And it is when most people notice the digestion benefit clearest. If mornings do not work for your schedule, early afternoon, ahead of that 2 o'clock wall, is the next best window. A short word here, because I am not going to leave this part out. If you are on blood thinners, talk to your doctor before adding daily ginger. It has a mild blood thinning effect of its own. If you have an active ulcer, gastritis, or severe acid reflux, the vinegar may aggravate that, and you should check with your doctor before starting. If you are managing blood sugar with medication, vinegar can lower it further, so this is a conversation with your doctor, not a reason to stop your medication on your own. For most everyone else, this is about as gentle and well-tested as a home remedy gets. The land gave people everything they needed before anybody built a lab to confirm it. We just got busy and stopped reaching for it. 1 jar, 5 minutes, things already sitting in your kitchen. That is where this starts. If somebody in your life is over 45 and still running on nothing but black coffee every morning, send them this. It might be the easiest thing you do for them all year. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing health stuff so you never miss any of it. And leave me a comment. Was this video helpful or not?